Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the location of the fuel rail pressure sensor and also the wiring diagram for it for Opel Astra J 1.7 CDTI. First, I'm going to show you the location of the fuel rail pressure sensor on the service manual and also the wiring diagram. And then I'm going to show it on the car. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Okay, so we're typing fuel rail pressure sensor and it's coming up as number 12 on the component locations, which is right there on the right side of the engine. That's what the sensor looks like. This sensor is located at the end of the fuel rail. Now I'm going to show you the wiring diagram for the sensor. So that's the fuel rail pressure sensor just there in blue, and there is 3 wires going to it. One is power, one is ground, and the third one is signal wire, and they're all going into the ECU. So now I'm going to show you where exactly the fuel rail pressure sensor is located on the car. First we need to remove the engine cover. First we need to locate the fuel rail, and then we'll know that the fuel rail pressure sensor is at the end of the fuel rail. So this is the fuel rail right there, and just at the end of the fuel rail should be the fuel rail pressure sensor. We can see the pressure sensor is just there, just over there. There is an electrical connector that we need to disconnect, and then we can unscrew the pressure sensor. There is more space if you go for it from the rear, just over there where my hand is. From there to disconnect the sensor and then remove the sensor. Thank you for watching.